guys, welcome to my first con prep vlog on this channel. I haven't decided what I'm gonna call my channel yet, but I don't know. So I don't know how many times I can keep saying this is like my first vlog when I go like 3 or 4 months or 3 years without posting. But yeah, I'm just gonna go with that, whatever. So I'm gonna set some small goals for myself. I think today I want to make some new button designs and also organize my closet. Right now it's just kind of all over the place, and I'm thinking, I saw in another artist vlog, I'll put a link to their channel somewhere in this video so you can see it, but she used wire grid cubes as additional shelving, and I think that's a really good idea for like storing shipping materials. So I'm gonna try to do that today and work on the buttons and maybe a sticker design, and then I'll show you all the process of how I do that if I can fit it in. But yeah, that's what I have on the agenda today. Oh, just a side note, I want to show you guys this sticker sheet. I think it came out so cute. I made this I think a couple days ago, and I'm just loving the glossy finish to it. I've had like issues with glossy paper and then my Cricut and just making stickers in general, and I'm just super happy with how this turned out now because they're finally I feel like it's finally like cutting nicely, and then the print came out pretty well. Let me see if I can get a better lighting for this. But yeah, you can see I think the colors came out really nice. I'll post a link to the paper that I use. I got it off of Amazon. I think it's Nido glossy, super glossy paper. Yeah, I'll see if I can find it and show it to you guys. But oh, here it is. This paper right here works really well with my printer. So I ended up taking a break because my pen died. So while that was charging, I just went and made myself some ramen and ate that real quick. Sorry if it's really dark in here. I had to turn on the light. Usually I like to just have the natural light from the sun, but I don't get really good sunlight in here. Apparently it's gonna storm today, so yeah, I'm just gonna stay inside and not go anywhere else and try to work on this. So yeah, if you see it getting darker, I mean, it's also getting later, so try to get these buttons printed and get them put together with the button press, and then see what else I can fit into today. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get to the closet organization, so we'll see. We'll just have to see.
days just making sure I had everything.
I think when Three Houses first came out, yeah, there was a lot. But it's kind of like, well, we kind of missed those. Oh, the high moments. No. No, it's not like a. Yeah, no. I just followed on Instagram. I appreciate that. Yeah. No, I like her. This is gonna be a dumb question. Your roses? They're cute.
But I'm back home. The con is over. It's been over for like a day or so, but it went really well. Despite having to cancel for the past 2 years, I think it was a really good turnout, and I did better than I thought I would, given that I didn't have that much stuff. I was there with a friend, so that helped, and it was nice to have company as well. So, yeah, I had a really good time, and I'm sorry if it seems like really disorganized and the clips are like real choppy. I have to get used to vlogging, especially in public. Like, I almost forgot to film at the con, like, at all. So it was just really hard to film in front of like so many people, but it's just something I'll have to get used to. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the vlog, and I will have more content coming. Probably not like convention stuff, but I will be making a lot more products here in my studio, so I'm looking forward to filming that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, so I'll see you next time. Bye.